On Lake Powell, you have plenty of options to play and explore, not just on the water, but in the hidden canyons and coves. And there are plenty of toys to help you make the most of it. At Antelope Point Marina, you can rent everything from houseboats to jet skis, power boats to kayaks. Each one will give you a unique way to explore the canyons and experience the lake and its shores.
It's kind of fun going in the narrow places, just kind of cruising and checking out the canyon walls. That's a really fun part about going in the narrow places. But by far, if you just want to rip it and have some fun, the wide spaces are where you want to do it at.
You can even rent several watercraft at once to make the most of your visit. This houseboat will let you cruise and relax, while jet skis allow you to cut loose or cut free and go deeper into the canyons to explore places you can't always reach with the bigger boats.
It opens up new opportunities. So when the water level drops, you might have different kind of canyon area open up to you, or when it rises, different kind of canyons will open up to you. It just depends on what kind of canyon you're going in and what time of year it is, really.
We are tagging along as Elijah Silver and Taylor decide to head deeper into the canyons to see what's beyond the twists and turns of these sandstone walls.
We came into this canyon and literally towering walls around you. At one point, the jet skis couldn't go any further, so we had to disembark, and then we walked further into the cave. The water was about to our knees, and then coming into this dark hole in the wall and just walking through that with the different colors and shades of brown and green around you. It's really something.
It's really nice because there's always something back there, whether it's a little arch, or it doesn't even have to be a cave if it's just almost this grove of little trees. You're what are you doing out here? This is a lake, a desert. You're not supposed to be here. There's always something at the end of one of them. Everyone's kind of unique, and there's always something different that's special that you get to see about them.
It's an adventure. You get to see something that a lot of people don't get to see, because if you're on a boat, you can't really get back there. If you're on a jet ski, there's more accessibility to there.
Letting you map out your own unique experience and discover some of Arizona's best kept secrets.